Welcome to our video on how to build and maintain good credit. In this video, we'll be discussing the key factors that make up your credit score, as well as tips and strategies for improving and maintaining a strong credit history. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that is used by lenders to assess your creditworthiness. It's based on factors such as your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit used. One of the most important things you can do to build good credit is to make sure you pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a major negative impact on your credit score, so it's important to set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a due date. Another key factor in determining your credit score is your credit utilization, or the amount of credit you are using relative to your credit limit. It's generally recommended to keep your credit utilization below 30%. So try to pay down any high balance accounts and consider asking for a credit limit increase if you need more room to work with. The length of your credit history is also important, so try to keep old accounts open even if you don't use them. And diversify your types of credit can also help your score, so consider getting a mix of different types of credit such as a credit card, loan, and mortgage. It's also important to check your credit report regularly to catch any errors or fraudulent activity. You can get a free credit report once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. In conclusion, building and maintaining good credit is an important part of financial stability and security. By paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and diversifying your types of credit, you can improve and maintain a strong credit history. Remember to check your credit report regularly and correct any errors that you find. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey to good